Happy birthday, Josiah. Happy 7th birthday. Naway maging memorable tong birthday mo. Tsaka I pray na yung blessing sa'yo, tsaka sa health mo, lalo na sa health. Proud ako na isa kang mabuti at matalinong bata, tsaka mabuting kuya sa kapatid mo.
Stars outside.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our birthday boy, Kuya Josiah!
Darling, you got me feeling alright.
Good boy! Sino gusto ng game? Sino dinaliwa?
Dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight.
Happy birthday, Saya. We love you. We are proud of your achievements. Continue to be an achiever. I love you. Happy birthday.
Get the deadlines, leave them in the 9 to 5.
Happy birthday, Josiah. More blessings, tsaka happy life.
Outside.
Happy birthday, Saya. Thank you for inviting us.
I got this feeling rising to the ceiling, singing. Ooh, darling, you
Very good. Ikaw. Ang ganda. Ganda mo talaga yung boses niya.
so lose your shoes and dance with me.
Sure man.
Hi, Spider-Man Josiah. Happy birthday. We love you. Mama and Daddy loves you so much together with Caris. At saka kami nila, Tito Dave mo. We love you so much. Alam mo na, be a good boy and always pogi. Happy birthday!
Don't let go.
Happy 7th birthday, Josiah. Sana maging masaya araw mo. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw na to and lumaki ka ng malusog at maalagang kuya sa kapatid mo. Yun lang, enjoy mo ang araw na to and take care. Happy 7th birthday, Josiah. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay maging mabait ka at malusog at may isang batang may takot sa Diyos.
Happy birthday, Saya! We love you. Tandaan mo lagi yan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Josiah!
Happy birthday, Saya. Sana paglaki mo may takot ka sa Diyos at more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Maging masaya palagi and huwag mo kakalimutan, nandito kami para sa'yo.
Happy 7th birthday, Saya. May you grow filled with love and full of joy in your heart. And your mom is always be proud of you and we are here to support and guide you. And thank you for inviting us sa birthday mo and enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Saya!
Wish you good health and more birthdays
You're my favorite classmate.
Happy birthday, Saya!
Happy birthday, Kuya.
I got this feeling rising to the ceiling, singing. Ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright.
Wish ko sa Saya maging Gundam ka or Spider-Man.
Wish ko sa'yo sana enjoy mo yung life mo at huwag kang ma-pressure.
Alam ko magiging proud si Mami sa'yo sa heaven. Ang prayer ko lang sa'yo is makilala mo ng personal si God. At alam ko magiging maganda yung buhay mo. God bless, saka good luck.
So lose your shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight.
And ang wish ko kay Saya, syempre, paliban sa maging pogi lalo, maging mabait, matalino, mabuting kuya. Ito yung wish natin, make mommy proud, di ba?
Thank you everyone for going to my birthday.